Hello everybody, I'm Lucy Bunny 99, aka Elizabeth Dawson here. Welcome back for more videos of Video Game Lesson. I believe we are done with the Switch games, but I believe this is the final part. Before we go to the lesson, there are two things on Chainsaw Sword. Let's start with this young lady here. She asked me to bring the cursor from the name of the movie back to Disney theme parks. Cassidy D explained everything after she told her about herself, and then she explained everything what going on. She's a huge fan of the character, the movie, and wide, like myself. And sign this, and don't forget to take the next step to choice. Let me tell you. See, that's what I talk about. Please support hers for today if you guys are a fan. And another way if you guys are a fan of that line, Eric T started this one. He's giving a detail about the why, and also the name of the movie is also the book of your story that is all about. So this is all about. And also he's saying that some group of Disney haters and stuff that don't understand the story and we think it's a wide, that's not so cool. But don't listen to these haters. Sorry, I like to say that. A lot of you guys are loved that way. Please show your support and sign. And let Disney know. Don't forget, take the next step. Once again, detail right here. So, now let's head back to the video game lesson. Hold on for a moment, please. Okay, remember all these videos and this lesson are spoiler word ahead. Please, that point, finish playing all your favorite video games and everything else first before watch this video. Take your time. Don't be in a rush. Anyways, we have a lot of upcoming games coming out not until next year or so. And of course the DLC added as well. It takes time. Remember, if I go too fast, you have to look up the name of the game also for yourself. And of course, don't forget to keep the eye on the name of the game and the date when it came out by any different kind of game console. So this is where the name of the game we left on. So let's get going. I believe this is the final part. So let's get it done. Well, everybody, we are done. Now we can move on to the next game also to see if they had a list up the games one with it. So let's see. I will see you all in the next video. But remember, don't forget hit sign D2 on change.org. And don't forget to take the next step. There are 2 ways it has a choice. But remember, reach out to other people. If you guys are a fan of the light here and the character from the movie of everything else, please decide to do so. Anyways, I'm gonna see you all in the next video. Bye. And happy Halloween to you all as well for tomorrow. Bye bye.